In this video we're looking at 3 modes in Simpler. So first off I'll start off with the splice mode. I've drawn in some MIDI and I have preserved some transients in parts I want to make a few. So pretty much I've made use of this section of Simpler through doing certain hits of the transients and making my own beat out of it. And that's usually what it's used for, is to cut certain sections out of the clip or the slice of audio. You have some options here with like filter, LFO modulation, and fading in and out, or changing the transpose, which will give it a different sort of pitch or tone. I've got the mode in sustain, and yeah, it's sort of the main use here you do for it. With the one shot I've made use out of like a kick and a shaker. So one shot's pretty much is useful for percussion elements such as kick, snare, even hi-hats, and generally you just want the one transient in there, and the one shot will just go through once, it won't loop, it will just play through once. You've got a filter, same, LFO, fades in and out, transpose as well. So that's, you also got gain control. You can trigger or gate it. Probably be a better example here on the shaker, the gate. So gate will pretty much act as, it will gate it, have a certain threshold, and won't let anything past the gate of frequencies, is similar to a compressor. And then we've got classic mode, which can loop a certain section of the audio. So you can loop a section and it'll loop back through. Basically, classic modes you generally use the looping. So you can choose a part where you want to start, like the length of it, and then you got sort of like an envelope thing over here. Add a bit of attack or delay. You got the 3 modes. It's the one shot, sustain, and kind of reverse, sort of like it hits it once and then reverses. Then you got your volume, LFO, filter. So this is basically just for looping certain sections of a bit of audio. And basically all up I've used all the modes, and I've made a song, or a little song, something that could be on the way to a song. So I'll just go ahead and play that. yeah, so those are pretty much the free uses for simpler modes. This is pretty much the end of the video.